Sir, can you show the slide once more?
Yes, Tirth, got it? Yeah, I'll show you. Just a second. Yeah. Uh, hmm. So this is one number. Tirth.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll share the screen. Something has happened. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. I'm not able to see the video. Some problem has happened. Okay. So now this is one number. You can try it for the other number. Say. Now try it again. So India got gained independence in 1947. So try out the same operation on 1947, and you should again get 6174. Hmm? So do it for 1947, and after doing that, take any four-digit number of your choice and apply the same operation. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Just a second. That Nehal, she is not connected. Is she facing some technical problem? I called her, but
Sir, I came.
okay, Nidhi, what happened? You got disconnected, and I was
Sir,
trying to call you. Hello, Nidhi. Sorry, Nehal. Sorry, Nehal. What
sir,
happened?
error was there.
Okay, fine. So what we are doing, I'll repeat for your sake because you got disconnected. See, uh, today we are having fun with numbers and algebra so that you understand the concepts, and if needed, I will have one more lecture. So don't worry. You'll learn much more than what you had expected. But I want you all to learn well because you are all from the eighth standard and you are young students. So I want you to understand the concepts properly. So we'll take any four-digit number where all the four digits are not the same. Nehal, you take any four-digit number where all the four digits are not the same. So you can have a 3332, but not all three or all twos. So let us say we take this number 1971. So arrange these four digits in descending order and ascending order and subtract the ascending order from the descending order. So you get this new number. So again, use that new number, arrange that in descending order and ascending order and subtract. So go on repeating the process. And you will end up with 6174. So we did this, and then now try it out with this 1947. After doing this, you can take up any four-digit number of your choice and try out this operation. Nehal followed what I am saying. Beta,
Okay, sir.
do it. Let's have fun with numbers today. And I can continue the class for another 15-20 minutes. That's okay with you all? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Kids,
Yes, sir.
I can continue for another 15-20 minutes. No, it's fine. No? Yeah, I would like to show you something. We will define formally what is multiplication and all, and do some have some fun with multiplication tables and all. Hmm? Okay, so try out this. Just a minute. Everyone can see the screen, na? Fine. You can see the screen, na? Okay, do it. So everyone, did you try it with your own 4-digit number, 4-digit number of your choice? And are you
Yes,
still
sir.
getting the same answer, 6174?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who said yes? Atharva or Tirth? How about
Sir,
everyone? Hello. Yeah. Rohan? Yeah, Rohan, did you get it? Your mic is muted, unmuted. The mic is muted, unmuted, beta. Huh?
Can you show
Wait
me
a
the
minute.
slide again, please?
Pardon? I'll show the slide.
Slide.
Okay. Yeah, fine, fine, fine. Wait a minute.
Yeah, this one. Thank you.
How about others? Did you do it with your with a 4-digit number of your choice and you are getting 6174? Nehal, how about you? Nehal? Yes, no, I'll stop the sharing and again reshare. I'm having some technical problems. Yeah. Yeah, good. How about the others? Everyone, you are getting 6174, Nehal? If you're not getting 6174, you must have done some mistake. At the most, at the most in 7 steps, maximum 7 steps, you should always get 6174. If not, then you have done some mistakes in adding or subtracting. Good. Tirtha, how about you?
sir, working on it, not yet.
Okay. And Nehal, how about you?
So doing it.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. We have time. We have enough time. Got? Rohan, you got 6174? Good.
Yeah.
How about others? So that we can move ahead. I have to tell you about who found out this amazing thing. I have to tell you about the story about the mathematician who found out this amazing thing. Tirth, Nehal, got it?
No, sir, working.
What have Tirth facing any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Otherwise, you can later after the lecture, try it out. You can have fun with it. Let's move ahead so that we don't waste our lecture time. Nehal, you got it? Or okay, I'll give you a couple of minutes. Otherwise, you can try it out later after the lecture.
Sir, got the answer.
Good, 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 Tirth. And how about you, Nehal?
So got it.
Good, good, good. Acha, I'll later on tell you about some special numbers which will give you 6174 in just one step. Welcome to that. But before that, let me show you. Let me tell you about the mathematician who, yeah, Kaprekar. So, Dattatray Kaprekar, he was called Ganitanand. Why? Because he got joy out of doing mathematics. So, see, if you do these operations on any 4-digit number in which all the 4 digits are not the same, then you will get the result as 6174 in not more than 7 steps. This amazing discovery was made by Indian mathematician Dattatray Ramchandra Kaprekar in the year 1949. In honor of Sri Kaprekar, the number 6174 is called Kaprekar's constant, and the above procedure is called Kaprekar's operations. Now, Kaprekar was a mathematics teacher in a school at Devlali, which is near Nasik. And number theory was his favorite subject. Number theory means the study of property of integers. That is what we have been doing today. Properties of integers. Okay, fine. So, yeah. One last time tried this out on 3133. And then I will give you some spatial numbers wherein you get 6174 in just one single step. Do this and let me know. So we go ahead.
Kaprekars on a new 4-digit number. I got 6174 again.
Got it? 6174.
Yeah. Who's Kaprekar?
He was a mathematician who had used to work on number theory. Acha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Kids, everyone got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Everyone done? Shall I give you those some spatial numbers which give you 6174 in one single step? Okay,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
show you 1357. So do Kaprekar's operations. Do Kaprekar's operations on 1357. So you have say 7531 minus 1357. So what I will do is let's have some fun. I'll open a Calci so you don't waste time. 7531 minus 1357. 6174. In one single step, you get 6174. Okay.
I have my
And,
calculator here.
yeah, fine. But pay attention. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'll give you two more spatial numbers which give you this thing in one single step. 2468 and 3579. And if you look at the properties of all these three numbers, so 1357. each digit is separated by 2. Like 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Or 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So they are separated by 2 consecutive. So let's say that's my calculator. Yeah. So I have a 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8, 6, 4, 2. Sorry. 8642 minus 2468 gives me 6174. And let's say 3579. So 9753 minus 3579. 6174. So these are three spatial numbers which give you 6174 in just one single step. If you take other numbers, it might take at the most 7 steps. So now this is Kapraker's constant 6174. 6174 is Kapraker's constant for 4 digits. So can you find out what is the Kapraker's constant for 3 digits? Say instead of 4 digits, say XXX or other, where all the 4 digits are not the same, you have just 3 digits XXX, wherein all 3 digits are not the same. So let's try it out on our spatial number, say 135. So I will arrange it in 531 minus 135, 396. So go on in the loop. Take any 3-digit number, and I think so that Kapraker's constant for 3 digits numbers is 495. 495. You can try it out. Kids, you will try it out right now. What is the Kapraker's constant for, say, 3-digit numbers? So apply Kapraker's operations on any 3-digit number wherein all the 3 digits are not the same. So you have to arrange it in descending order, arrange it in ascending order, and subtract the ascending order one from the descending order one, and repeat the operation till you get a constant value. And I have given you a hint that it should be 495. I'll show you something.
That's a lot of tabs.
No, it's not here. It's on my other website. Okay.
You have a website?
Yeah. Are you trying out that 3-digit Kapraker's constant? Nehal,
Yes.
what are you getting?
Yes.
Atharva, Rohan, Amit, what are you getting? Tirth, I've given you a
Got
hint.
it, sir.
It should be 495, but are you getting it?
Sir, got it. Got the answer.
Got the 495?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, my article is published in an international publication. See this, 495. Okay, I'll check it out, beta. Huh? So
Thank you.
yeah, fine. Later on, we will share your address. Fine. Yeah, check it out. Okay, good. So, do we still have time? shall we continue for 10 minutes or shall we meet
Yeah.
next time? Huh? Kids, Nehal, Atharva, do you want me to end now or continue for some few
Sir,
minutes
you
and
can
then
continue.
continue?
Yes,
How about
sir.
you,
Continue.
Rohan? Amit,
Continue.
Amit,
Yes, sir.
Amit, fine with you for 5-6 minutes more?
Yeah.
Amit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so now this will be a discussion. What is multiplication?
When you
Yeah,
repeatedly
anyone?
add when you repeatedly add
Yeah,
two
wait,
numbers.
Rohan, wait a minute. One by one. Yeah, so that there's no confusion. Yeah, Rohan. Yeah, tell me what is multiplication?
The repeated addition of numbers.
Pardon?
The
You can type
repeated
it out.
addition of numbers.
Repeated addition of numbers. Okay, fine. How about you, Tirth? What do you think is multiplication? What is
Sir,
multiplication?
adding a number of times.
Adding a number of times. Fine, good. And Nehal, Atharva, you can type or you can speak. Nehal, how about you? Nehal, are you there? Atharva,
So,
what do you think? Yeah, Nehal, beta, बोलिए. Nehal, yeah, what happened, Nehal? Yeah,
multiplication is the same number is multiplied means the same
yeah,
number is added with the same
yeah.
number.
It is
The
added to itself a number of times. Yeah.
yes.
So, Atharva, what is your opinion? Amit, your opinion?
The multiplication is nothing but repeated addition.
Okay. And how about you, Atharva? Atharva, are you there? Yeah. So, what according to you is multiplication? Okay. Or you can speak on mic. That will be faster. Let's start a presentation. Yeah. What is multiplication? Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fine. So, let me show you what is multiplication. What's the definition of multiplication? Okay, you multiply. This multiplication of two whole numbers is adding as many copies of one number as the value of the other. Multiplication of two whole numbers is adding as many copies of one number as the value of the other. Wait a minute, it's hanged. Yeah. So let m and n be two whole numbers. So m times n is what? Adding m times or adding n times. This is a kind of tongue twister. M times n is adding m times or adding n times. Okay. So let us say I want to gift 6 marbles to each of my 5 friends. I must add 6 5 times to know the total number of marbles that I need to take along with me to school, or add 5 6 times. or multiply 6 with 5 to get the answer. I can represent, see, I can illustrate that repeated addition in this way. I'm giving 6 marbles to each of my 5 friends. So 6 marbles for Mehul. I got 5 friends, Mehul, Milind, Devang, Bhavesh, and Ravi. So 6 marbles for each of my 5 friends. So 6 marbles for Mehul, for Milind, Devang, Bhavesh, and Ravi. Now, instead of having this rows and columns of marbles, I can represent them using lines. So this intersection will represent this marbles. Okay, fine. So this is what is multiplication. Now let's do some quick multiplication. Can anyone mentally calculate 1089 times say 6? Can you mentally calculate?
6,534.
How do you do it?
6,534.
You're right, but then how you do it?
Using
Did
calculator.
you use your calculator? No, throw away the calculator. You will calculate it faster with mind. Hey, don't throw it literally.
Oh.
Don't throw it literally. Your mom will scold you. So how do you get it mentally? So I'll tell you a story about my own experience with mathematics. I was very bad at remembering, say, multiplication tables. But if I want to calculate, say, 19 times 6, if I want to calculate 19 times 6, or rather, I'll much simpler problem. Say 8 times, 8 times 4. I want to calculate 8 times 4. I didn't know the multiplication tables that 8 times 4 is 32. You know how I used to calculate? I knew 10 times 4.
I do.
Yeah. Rohan, please don't speak in between. It will disturb the class. Let me speak. So 10 times 4, I know it is 40. So how do I get 8 times 4? So what I used to do, if I want 8 times 4, I used to deduct 4 times 2, 2 times 4. And if I want 8 times 4, I used to deduct 2 times 4. Or I used to do what? 40 minus 4 2 times. So 40 minus 4, I used to get what? 36. And 36 minus 4, I used to get 32. So that is how I used to calculate 8 times 4. Okay. So now if I want, say, 19 times 3. So how do you calculate 19 times 3? I'll write it in words so you get a bigger font.
Sir, you write it as 20 times 3 minus 3 times.
Wait. Okay, Amit, what I will do is I will take a break and you continue. Huh? Let me do it. Good, good. I'm glad that you know it. So if I want 19 times 3, so what will I do? Instead of calculating 19 times 3, I will do what? 20 minus 1 times 3. So I know 20 times 3 is what? 60. Barabar? Minus 3. So that gives me 57. Now if I want 29 times 4. 29 times 4. So what will I do? Instead of I'll say 30 minus 1. That is 29 times 4. So what is that? 120 minus 4. So that is what? 116. So what you are basically doing? So 39 times 3. So I will do what? 39 plus 1 minus 1 times 4, sorry, 3. I want to say multiplied by 3. This asterisk, instead of asterisk, I'll put a cross so that you get an idea. So what do you get? 40 minus 1 times 3. So 40 minus 1 times 3. So that is 120 minus 3. So that gives 127. Now I asked you the original question, 1089 times 6, and Rohan's calculated it on his mobile, on his calculator, that it is what? 6534. So 1089 is what? 11 less than 1100 times 6. So what I get is what? 6600, 6600 or 6600 minus 66. So what I get is 65. 6600 minus 100 is 6500, or 100 minus 66 is 34. So you get a 16534. Check it out on your calculator. Am I right? Huh? Nehal, Atharva, Tirth, Amit, you all got it? How I do it? Or if I tell you, okay, say 49 times 4, can you calculate? 49 times 4 is what? 50 times 4 gives me 200. Minus 4.
196.
196, right? Tirtha, Atharva, Nehal, you understood?
Yes, sir. Can you show it one time more?
1089.
Yeah. Okay. We will do it 69 times 4. 69 times 4. Okay. I'll write it on this अपना.
76.
हाँ भाई अमित, मुझे भी करने दो, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट टाइम लेक्चर तुम लेना, मैं बैठूंगा आपके लेक्चर में. I'm just joking. Amit is my a student for Python programming and he is very enthusiastic and curious. तो सुंदर पिछाई बनेगा आगे जाके. Okay, bye. So 69 times 4 is what? 69 is 70 less than 1. So I'll say 70 less than 1 times 4. So I get 70 times 4 is what? 280 minus 4. तो क्या आएगा? 276. समझे आप? Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nehal, you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I'll show you one last thing. Now we have done it for say numbers 1 less than multiple of 10. We have done it for 1 less than multiple of 10. Can we do it for say 2 less than multiple of 10? Say 28 times 3. 28 times 3. Can we do it? We can apply this method. So 28 is what? 30 minus 2 times 3. Of course, we will revise this next time. We will go details of this. So 30 times 3 gives me 90 and 2 times 3 gives me 6. So 90 minus 6 is what? 84. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Nehal, Beta, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Atharva, Rohan. Rohan, if you miss something, don't worry. We are recording this lecture and you can download it. If you go here, you can download this thing. And when we
Yeah,
end
okay.
the lecture, again the other part will be uploaded. So everyone, we will end the lecture here. I hope you enjoyed it. Any questions or discussion?
Yes, sir. So I want to ask one question.
Yeah. Madhvi Ben. Yeah.
Sir, if two digits are there, you told me like 49 fours are 49 into 4.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to add, you have to minus 1. Round up karna hai 50, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we are
But
actually have complementary numbers with a
yes,
multiple of 10.
yes. When the 4 digits are there, you have round up with 100, like nearby 100.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yes.
we cannot take
Slowly we are taking a very special case. So I'm just introducing the kids because today we have not done touched Vedic math. So I'm just touching or introducing it. So
yes, yes, yes,
during the
yes.
next lecture, we will go into the details. Like
Yeah,
if we look at our school time, huh?
yeah,
If we look at
actually.
if we look at our school time, so we only learnt one method of multiplication. Whereas if we look at Bhaskaracharya's Leelavati, actually the first chapter of my book on Vedic mathematics is based on Bhaskaracharya's Leelavati. In Bhaskaracharya's Leelavati, for kids itself, there are 4 to 5 different methods of multiplication. But every
Okay.
method is for a specific condition. So here if you look at the like આપણે કહીએ ને 29
Yes,
29 39 means 1
yes.
less than 40.
Yeah,
19 means 19 means 1 less than 20.
20. Mm.
39 means 1 less than 20. So you can have numbers like if I say 38 is 2 less than 40 or
Yes,
49 is 1 less than 50. So this is for a special case. Suppose if
yes.
I want 23 into 4, so I
Yeah.
cannot use this. I will use a
Okay.
different method.
Okay.
Method. If
Okay.
I want 53 times 12,
Yeah.
so I will split 12 into 10 plus 2. So we'll learn
Okay.
that method next time.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
Thank you so much.
I'm just touching the thing so that at least we kids can say at least we began some tricks or we learned some quick calculation methods.
So one more thing I have to ask you.
Yeah.
Sutras, you are telling sutras. So in English also sutras or formula we can say.
Uh, Basically, sutras are cryptic codes. They are not like the formulas that we do in modern mathematics. But yeah, even in ancient Indian mathematics, we had formulas. But
Yeah.
sutras are more concept or cryptic codes. Like if you, I don't know whether you have read my series of articles on Pingar's Chand Sastra.
No,
In
no.
that, I have written about sutras given by Pingalacharya,
Okay.
mathematical sutras from Chand Sastra.
Okay.
I've written few of my articles have been published, and I have been forwarding you the links. You can go through them. I'm working on the final article of that series.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Panini has written about sutra. And there are rules for creating sutra that they
Okay.
should be ambiguous. They should be as short as possible. You should not be repeating the words, something like that. Panini in his Astadhyayi has given kind of you can say thumb rules for creating sutra.
Okay.
Hmm?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Nehal, Tirth, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. We meet next time.
Yes, sir.
Amen. Take care. Everyone have a nice week, a great week ahead. Yeah, what are you showing? Who's that?
This is
You're showing.
Ashtadhyayi. They
Are
teach
you
this
know
in
Astad
school.
in school? Are I
Yes,
want to get admitted in your school, yeah. Your
sir,
school
they
seems
teach
to be
Bhagavad
great, yaar.
Gita, Ashtadhyayi and Panini, all they teach Samskrita, everything in school, sir.
Wow. Very good, very good, very good. Great. You are going to a good school.
Learning
I
of
I
Paraka.
went to school as a student here. Huh? Good. Chalo, good. Chalo, we will end here. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, we meet next Saturday. Hmm? Chalo, take care.
Okay,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.